Good evening, sir. Welcome to Olsay Cafe Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes,
May I know your name?
Liam Mendoza.
Okay, Leon Mendoza. By the way, sir, we had prepared a very nice table for you. This way, please.
Okay.
Will this table is alright for you, sir?
Yes.
Please take your seat, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I lay your napkin?
Yes.
By the way, sir, I am Miss Johnny Carnation, your food server for the day. It will be my pleasure to serve you.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like ice cold water?
Yes.
Sir, we have also a juice like a pineapple juice and apple juice.
Apple juice.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to have a bread rolls?
Yes.
Would you like another roll, sir?
No thanks.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to present to you our food menu for your food selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready, sir.
Appetizer, teriyaki pineapple meatballs,
Okay, sir.
salad, classic Caesar salad,
Okay, sir.
and the main course is roasted chicken.
Okay, sir. Copy, sir. May I suggest, sir, the following?
Yes.
May I suggest also a hot steaming soup? We have also a pumpkin sausage soup, a combination with a warm creamy Häagen bowl with rich pumpkin savory sausage. Would you like to try it, sir?
No thanks.
To complete your meal, sir, may I suggest the dessert? We have also red velvet whoopie pie, combination with a fully sweet sandwich and soft cake and creamy frosting, sir. Would you like to try it, sir?
No thanks.
May I suggest also, sir, to complement your main course, which is white wine, the Chardonnay, a product of Flenwood Vintage Santa Cruz Mountains of vintage year of 2021, and has a alcohol content of 13%. Would you like to try it, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order, sir?
Okay.
Your order for appetizer is teriyaki pineapple meatballs, and the salad is classic Caesar salad. The main course is roasted chicken, and the white wine is Chardonnay. Did I get your order right, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your teriyaki pineapple meatballs for your appetizer. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your classic Caesar salad. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your white wine, the Chardonnay. Excuse me, sir. Here is your roasted chicken for the main course. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? Can I clear your plate?
Yes, I'm done.
Excuse me, sir. May I present your bill?
Okay.
Your bill is 3,750, and I received 3,700.
Okay.
3,000. I repeat, 3,800. I'll be back for your change and receipt.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your change and receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you for dining with us. We are looking forward to your next visit, sir.
Thank you.